Welcome to Automania YouTube channel, the most complete automotive channel in YouTube. Those looking for security versus lively will be satisfied with the reasonable and dependable Toyota Corolla. While Toyota's notable reduced is stuffed with standard dynamic security helps, incredible crash test evaluations, and class driving backseat legroom, what you won't discover is driving energy. An asthmatic 4-barrel with a consistently factor-programmed transmission, CVT, is the standard powertrain. A discretionary 6-speed manual gives a heartbeat to a generally dead front driver compass. Base models oblige spending plan disapproved of purchases with a 6.1-inch touchscreen, versatile journey control, and mechanized crisis braking. Aside from below average mileage and subpar inside quality, the Corolla is a section staple that will fulfill the individuals who simply need to arrive. The Corolla enters 2018 with the most minimal of changes. The front seat sun visors now feature illuminated vanity mirrors, and XLE and stick shift SE models receive a leather-trimmed steering wheel. The upgraded helms have controls for the driver information display, audio adjustments, Bluetooth operation, and active safety settings. The Toyota Corolla received refreshed styling, a new special edition, and a batch of active safety features that became standard across the board. The front end was redesigned, and the interior received a revised instrument panel and climate controls. The Corolla 50th Anniversary Edition featured special black cherry pearl paint, the exclusive color theme, and badging extended into the cabin too. Every Corolla was treated to the Toyota Safety Sense system, which includes adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automated emergency braking. The Corolla is for buyers on a budget. Numerous trims will suit different tastes. Among those are the LEGO for fuel-conscious folk, the SE, which offers a 6-speed manual and other sporty element, and the XLE, which adds comfort and convenience features. The XLE standard equipment includes heated front seats with an 8-way power adjustable driver seat, 7.0-inch internal infotainment with navigation app, smart key passive entry and push button start, sunroof. The XLE was more than the LEGO or the SE, but it has a better ride than the sporty SE, and its more luxurious cabin outweighs the LEGO's higher fuel economy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, give us a comment, share to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you again on the next video.